I absolutely love this. Look, girl, I didn't even have to cut it or anything. This is, I believe, a 10-inch bob. Let me give you all the specs on this unit. This is their Bye Bye Knots Yaki bob unit. It has a drawstring design that I showed you guys earlier. It is one size fits all. The price is very, very affordable, and you guys just look at this natural Yaki texture. Oh my God, it is perfect. It's affordable, it's timeless, it's glueless. It's just a flawless classic unit. And y'all, look at that. Look at that bounce back. It has luster to it. I didn't put any product in this hair, and it is nice and shiny. As you guys saw earlier, you can curl it if you want to. Because of the length of this hair, I wouldn't wear it curled, but if you wanted to curl it, you definitely could. If you wanted to wear like half up, half down, you could. If you just want to like pull it, just to kind of get it out of your face and kind of put it in like a little ponytail at the top with a little clip. You know, you could do that as well. I'm just gonna wear it straight, middle part. And as you can see, the hairline looks really good. Everything is melted in, even though this is a glueless unit. And you guys definitely need this in your collection. If you wanna see how I got this beautiful hairstyle, stay tuned. And I wanna give a huge shout out to Nadula for sponsoring this portion of today's video. This is Nadula's 10-inch Yaki bob. It is 7x5 lace, pre-bleached invisible knots. There's a wig band, there's an elastic adjustable band for extra security for this glueless unit. This unit is very versatile. You can curl it. It holds a curl up to 450 degrees with heat. And as you see, you can just style it so pretty. You can kind of have it just going back away from your face, but you don't have to wear this unit just straight. You can curl it. And I think this looks absolutely beautiful. This is the finished look of this bob from Nadula. All of the details will be down below, the link straight to this unit. And yeah, it's just really nice. You can wear it behind one ear, girl. Look at that. There will be a coupon code down below so you guys can save some money. But you guys, check this out and definitely get you a really, really cute bob, especially it's holiday season right now.